Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Melike from EnglishCentral. Welcome back. Today we are going to learn about the difference between either and neither. First, let's start with the basic definitions. Both either and neither are pronouns, but they are used in different contexts. Let's start with either. We use either when we talk about one of two possibilities or choices. For instance, if you're trying to choose between two movies to watch on a Friday night, you can say, I might watch either movie A or movie B. Or if you're ordering a pizza with your friend, you can say, we can either get a pepperoni or vegetarian pizza. Now let's shift our focus to neither. You use neither when you talk about none of the two possibilities or choices. Imagine you and your friend are on a diet. You might say, neither of us will have dessert today. Or if you're talking about two job offers you rejected, you can say, I accepted neither of the job offers. The best way to practice these two is through using them. Well, you're in luck, because you can use them when you practice your speaking with our teachers. We offer you your first lesson for free. And if you'd like more examples, English Central has more than 20,000 video lessons and 200 plus video courses. Click on the link in the description box to visit our website EnglishCentral.com or download our app English Central to check out our educational materials. For now, let's continue. So the key difference is that either means a choice between two options, while neither shows that both options are unavailable. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes that people make with either and neither. One common mistake is using either in a negative context when you actually mean neither. For example, saying, I don't like either of those movies, when you actually mean, I don't like neither of those movies. Another mistake is failing to use either when you're presenting a choice. For instance, saying, I want neither chocolate nor vanilla ice cream, when you should say, I want either chocolate or vanilla ice cream. In conclusion, either and neither are simple words, but understanding their correct usage is important for effective communication. Remember, either is for two choices, while neither is for none of the two choices. It's a small distinction, but it can make a big difference in how you convey your message. Would you like to learn more? Keep watching our channel and you will find out. Or if you feel impatient, you can click on the link in the description box and visit our website to learn more about it. If you like this video, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Please don't forget to comment. I'm thrilled to see what you guys think. Until next time, take care!